Hi, very good evening. Today we will just understand very quickly how to memorize German countings. Okay, so basically in German we have to just memorize some of the basic numbers, that is from 0 to 20. That is 0 we call it null, 1 eins, 2 zwei, 3 drei, 4 vier, 5 fünf, 6 sechs. This is umlaut. Okay, this is called U umlaut. I will tell you, I will not confuse you by just clarifying here. This is just umlaut. So in German, the umlauts are on three letters: A, U, and O. Okay, all these A, U, and O uses umlaut. 6, sechs, 7, sieben, 8, acht, 9, neun, 10, zehn, 11, elf, 12, zwölf, 13, dreizehn, 14, vierzehn, 15, fünfzehn. Okay, till 15, just understand. Now 16. Let me just tell you the trick. Dreizehn. So 13 is dreizehn. 3 it is drei. Okay, and 10 it is zen. So 3 plus 10, 13, that is dreizehn. 14, 4 is vier, and 10 is zen. Vierzehn. 5 is fünf, and 10 is zen, that is zen. Here 16, so sechzehn. Otherwise 6 is sechs, right? We will remove s and then put the zen. So sechzehn, not sechszehn. Clear? 17, 17, 7 we have sieben, and 10 we have zen. So it will not be sibenzen, but it will be siebzehn. Okay, siebzehn. Perfect. Similarly 18, it is very easy. Just accept these two numbers are exceptions. Otherwise everyone will be as it is. 8 we write acht, and 10 we write zen. Achtzehn. Perfect. 9, 19, neunzehn. 9 is 9, and 10 is zen. Neunzehn. Perfect. 20 is zwanzig. So this multiple number I will just show you. So it is zwanzig. Similarly, some multiple of numbers like 13 it is dreißig, 40 vierzig, 50 fünfzig, 60 sechzig, 17 siebzig, 18 achtzig, 19 neunzig, and 100. Okay, now just remember, everyone will take zig, every number will take zig, but just as in the case of 30, it will take double s. This is called double s. Okay, dreißig, this is just as an exception. Otherwise same, right? In 60 you have to make sure that it is sechs. Okay, sechzig, uh, right? Sechs, perfect. And 70 it is siebzehn, not siebenzig. Okay, but in 80 it is achtzig, 19 it is neunzig. So every pattern would be same, just in the exception in the case of 60 and 70, right? No coming back. Till here it is clear. Now just have a trick how to remember the number in between 21 to 99. Okay, so any number in between 21 to 99, we have to just follow a very simple trick. That is, we have to take the unit number, and then we have to take und, and then we have to take the tens. For example, here it is 24, right? So what is the unit of this 24? Unit number is 4. So 4 we write in German vier. We are writing here vier. Okay, and und, we have to mention und. So vier und, and then it is 20, right? So what we write 20 for, right? For 20 we write zwanzig. So it is 4 and 20. 4 we write vier, and we write und. 20 we write zwanzig. So 24 plus 20 is equal to 24. Vierundzwanzig. Clear? One thing always remember, that in German numbers are written as one word in German. Unlike English, in English we write 444. So FOUR 4 space 100 HUNDRED 100 and space 44 40 space 4, but not in German. German we will write just in a single word. Okay, all together, whatever the long number we have, right? For example, you see, you will confuse. Oh my God, how it is written? You will confuse by seeing this number. Oh my God, what a long number it is. Understand? But I will tell you, you will even understand that also. So it is clear, in German, the language numbers are always written in one word. Okay, and it is 24. So what is the trick to write 24 in German, or to speak 24 in German? So firstly we will speak the very first letter. The very first number is what? Unit number is what? 4. So 4 we write vier in German, and then we have to add additional und, which means and. Okay, and then 20, which is called zwanzig. So it will be vierundzwanzig. Clear? Vierundzwanzig. Now you have another number 21. So 21, 1 we write ein, und, and it is 20, so 20. 32 zwei, so this zwei will be this 2, we write zwei, understand, we are putting und, and what we write 30, 30 is dreißig, understand, dreißig. 45 fünfundvierzig. 58 achtundfünfzig. Acht, so it is our 8, so we will write acht, and we are putting and 50 is fünfzig. Similarly 45 5 we write fünf and 40 we write vierzig. Clear? 67 zib, not, you see here 67, so 7 we write sieben, we are putting also, this and then sechzehn. Clear? 79 neunundsiebzig. 88 achtundachtzig. 99 neunundneunzig. Clear? And this multiple I have already told you. Just bonus tip, this is is an exception only. Dreißig is written like this, not, you cannot put a z here. Okay, and sechzehn and sechzig, remove the s from this x. You can see here sexes, we have not put here s. Okay, and sieben also we have not put here en, only siebzig. Okay, that's 60 and 70. I already told about it, right? Summary is that you have to, before summary, let me just practice some of the more numbers. So 100, it is called hundred. Suppose you have to say 101, so you have to say eins. One, this is 101, so this, firstly we will take hundred. Okay, and now what is this? Eins, one, so it will be written once. 101. For example, you have to write 125. So 100, it is 100. Now you have to speak about 25. So 25, what is the pattern of 25? Same like this pattern. The same pattern like this 25, like 24 vierundzwanzig. So it is 25. So it will be fünfundvierzig. Clear? 125. 100 fünfundvierzig. So if you have to say 126, so 100. Sechsundzwanzig, 100, you have to say 27, 127, so you have to say 100. Siebenundsechzig, clear? Now 200, so it is 200, because 2 is 200 is 100, so 200, 200, you have to say 300, 300, 400, 400, 500, 500, 600, 600, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900. Okay. Okay, now 1000, so 1000 you have to say only 1000, so you have 1000, you have to say 1000. 2000 you have to say 2000. Now it is 2024, so firstly you have to say to 2000, 2024 vierundzwanzig, again 24, so first 2024, so first you have to write 2000, so 2000, here it is closed. Now 24, apply the same technique as I told you to memorize in between 21 to 99 counting. So vier, you are writing vierundzwanzig. Clear? 2025, so 2025, what you can write? 2025. Clear? 2026, what you have to write? 2026. Clear? Thank you very much. These are the some examples: 43, 87, 43, vierzig, 87, siebenundachtzig. Okay, 89. So 89, how you will write? You can tell me in the comment sections. Okay, or if you are if you are having some more complex numbers, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much. And if you are new to the sessions, if you are new to this lecture, new to this channel, feel free to subscribe the channel. And I have one more website that I've been running, that is www.thinkerstonic.com. You just go on Google and write Thinkers Tonic. You will get our website, you will get our Telegram channel also, maybe WhatsApp also. Okay, thank you very much.